Hey everyone, Krista Dowdy here to teach you how to get SeeSaw set up for your class. You're going to want to first start by getting to the website. It is app.seesaw.me. That will get you to the SeeSaw website. Once you get there, you're going to want to select I'm a teacher and then fill in your credentials. I'll do that here. I'm already signed in. I'm going to open mine up. Okay, so on my page, as you can see now, I already have a class in there. I left it in there. I didn't archive it yet so that you could also see what it looks like to have multiple classes for those of you that teach specialist areas. Or if you're SPED or EL and have multiple groups, you can do it by groups as well. To create your first class, you're going to want to go up here, create new class, enter your class name, anything you'd like, and select your grade level, green check to go. Next, it's going to ask you about the QR code. This is what's going to help you, your families, and your students access the journals. You're going to want to go with that. Oops. Actually, we'll skip that for now. Sorry. Go in and add your students. You can also paste if you've already created like a Word document, copy and paste into here. For now, we're going to just add a couple students just for practice purposes. We've got Batman. We will have Dale Jr., who's another popular one, Captain America, and let's say Mary Poppins. Okay, so now it's creating the class, as you can see, and your journal is all set to go. The next part that I want to go over real quick is the how to invite your families. So you're going to go over to your master area again. No, you're not. Sorry. Close. Just kidding. You're going to go over to the wrench. This is where you can create your settings. You can add more students. You can also add families. So being that it's a new class, you're going to want to add families. Give them access to their journals. And then here is where you can invite your families. You can either send them a paper invite through their folders, or you can send them an email and then they can find their student and get looped onto there. Once a family member has access to their journal, you approve them. So for example, if Batman's mom accidentally clicked on Mary Poppins' journal, she won't have access to that unless you approve it, which you probably shouldn't. Keep it very much so families can only see families. Something, let's check out what it would look like. We're going to check out the paper copy. Here we'll give instructions to the parents as to how to access it via both a PC and an app. So you can see here it's from your smartphone or your smart device, or here it's from your computer. This has the student's name at the top, their QR code. So that's what the families would scan to access their child's journal. There's also the email version. Just copy and paste it into your email, send it by the group. Again, they can click on the links and get them connected with their child. As far as the students go, here is your classroom code. This is something that you would print and post around your classroom. This code does not go home, and it is not to be shared, outside the class. This is specific to you and your classroom. The way that I've used it is by posting it in 3 different spots. So then when it's time to SeeSaw our work, the students walk up, they scan that QR code, they find their journal, they upload their work, and then it's sent off to the families. So those are the QR codes. This was, I know, a super quick overview on how to just get started. The next video will be kind of how to go a little more in depth using the plus sign that you see up here in your screen and how to upload items to your students' journals. Thanks.